There's nothing quite like gathering friends and family around a sizzling barbecue in the great outdoors. But in 2026, outdoor cooking is no longer just about charcoal, tongs, and guesswork. Modern barbecue gadgets have transformed backyard grilling and campsite cookouts into high-tech culinary experiences. From smart temperature monitoring systems to innovative cleaning tools, today's gadgets help you cook more accurately, save time, and create restaurant-quality meals wherever you are. Whether you're a weekend griller, a camping enthusiast, or a serious pitmaster, the right gear can make all the difference. In this countdown, we're revealing 7 of the best outdoor barbecue gadgets available right now. These cutting-edge tools combine convenience, durability, and performance to elevate every cookout. Stay tuned as we count down from number 7 to number 1, showcasing the gadgets that can turn any ordinary barbecue into an unforgettable outdoor feast. Number 7. Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. One of the biggest challenges in outdoor grilling is knowing exactly when your meat is perfectly cooked. Cut into it too early and valuable juices escape. Leave it on too long and you're stuck with dry, overcooked food. That's why a smart wireless meat thermometer has become one of the most valuable barbecue gadgets available in 2026. Unlike traditional thermometers that require constant checking, modern wireless models allow grillers to monitor temperatures in real time directly from their smartphones. The probe is inserted into the meat before cooking and continuously sends temperature readings to a mobile app. This lets you walk around, socialize, prepare side dishes, or relax while keeping an eye on your food from a distance. Many premium models can withstand temperatures exceeding 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit and provide alerts when your target temperature is reached. Advanced features often include cooking guides for different meats, estimated completion times, and multiple sensor readings that monitor both internal food temperature and ambient grill heat. Whether you're preparing steaks, brisket, chicken, pork shoulder, or fish, precise temperature monitoring dramatically improves consistency and flavor. For campers and outdoor cooks, this gadget removes much of the guesswork associated with grilling. Instead of repeatedly opening the grill lid and losing heat, you can maintain optimal cooking conditions while monitoring everything remotely. The result is juicier meat, better texture, and fewer cooking mistakes. For anyone serious about barbecue, a smart wireless meat thermometer isn't just a convenience. It's a game-changing tool that helps deliver professional-level results every single time. Number 6. Portable Pellet Grill. Outdoor grilling has evolved dramatically over the last few years, and one gadget leading that evolution is the portable pellet grill. Designed for backyard cookouts, tailgating events, camping adventures, and beach gatherings, these compact grilling machines bring the precision of professional smoking and grilling into a highly portable package. Unlike traditional charcoal grills that require constant monitoring, portable pellet grills use compressed wood pellets as fuel and feature automatic feeding systems that maintain consistent temperatures throughout the cooking process. This means less guesswork and more reliable results. Most modern models include digital controllers that allow users to set exact temperatures, often ranging from low and slow smoking at 180 degrees Fahrenheit to high heat searing above 500 degrees. Many premium versions even offer smartphone connectivity, allowing grillers to adjust settings remotely while enjoying time with guests. One of the biggest advantages of pellet grills is flavor. Because the fuel consists of real hardwood pellets such as hickory, oak, mesquite, apple, or cherry, food develops a rich, smoky taste that is difficult to achieve with gas grills alone. Portable pellet grills are also surprisingly versatile. They can smoke brisket, grill burgers, roast chicken, bake pizzas, and even cook desserts. Modern units feature foldable legs, lightweight construction, and efficient fuel consumption, making transportation easier than ever. For outdoor enthusiasts who want authentic wood-fired flavor without hauling a full-size smoker, a portable pellet grill offers the perfect balance between convenience and performance. Whether you're cooking for 2 people at a campsite or feeding a crowd at a family gathering, this gadget delivers impressive results with minimal effort, making it one of the smartest barbecue investments of 2026. Number 5. Automatic BBQ Rotisserie Kit. Cooking large cuts of meat evenly over an outdoor fire has always been a challenge, but an automatic barbecue rotisserie kit solves that problem beautifully. This gadget transforms an ordinary grill into a professional-style roasting station capable of producing juicy, flavorful meat with a perfectly crisp exterior. The system works by slowly rotating food over a heat source using a motor-powered spit rod. Continuous rotation allows natural juices to baste the meat during cooking, creating exceptional tenderness and flavor. In 2026, rotisserie kits have become more advanced than ever. Many feature powerful rechargeable motors, weather-resistant construction, adjustable mounting systems, and high-capacity designs capable of handling everything from whole chickens and turkey breasts to pork loins and large roasts. Some premium models can even support weights exceeding 40 pounds. The beauty of rotisserie cooking lies in its consistency. Because the food is constantly moving, heat is distributed more evenly than with traditional grilling methods. This reduces hot spots and helps prevent burning while achieving an attractive golden brown finish. Outdoor cooks especially appreciate how hands-free the process becomes. Once the meat is secured and the motor starts turning, very little intervention is required. Many users also find that rotisserie cooking enhances flavor because rendered fats continually coat the surface throughout the cooking process. Whether you're hosting a family barbecue, preparing holiday meals outdoors, or simply wanting restaurant-quality roasted chicken, an automatic rotisserie kit adds impressive versatility to any grill setup. It's a gadget that combines old-world cooking techniques with modern convenience, helping outdoor chefs create memorable meals with minimal effort. Number 4. Electric Grill Cleaning Robot. Nobody enjoys cleaning a grill after a long day of outdoor cooking. Grease, food residue, carbon buildup, and burnt debris can quickly turn cleanup into the least enjoyable part of any barbecue. That's where the electric grill cleaning robot comes in. This innovative gadget has become increasingly popular among grill enthusiasts who want to spend more time enjoying food and less time scrubbing grates. The device operates much like a robotic vacuum, but is specifically designed to withstand the harsh conditions of grill cleaning. After cooking and once the grill has cooled to a safe temperature, users place the robot directly onto the grates. Equipped with powerful rotating brushes and intelligent navigation systems, it moves across the grill surface, removing stubborn residue and buildup automatically. Many modern models include rechargeable batteries capable of handling multiple cleaning sessions on a single charge. Some feature sensors that detect edges and obstacles, ensuring complete coverage while preventing accidental falls. Advanced units even include removable cleaning brushes that can be washed or replaced when worn. Regular cleaning not only improves hygiene, but also enhances grill performance by reducing flare-ups and ensuring more even heat distribution. Dirty grates can negatively affect flavor and cooking efficiency, making maintenance an important part of outdoor grilling. By automating this task, grill cleaning robots encourage users to maintain their equipment more consistently. Whether you're using a gas grill, charcoal grill, or pellet grill, this gadget dramatically reduces the effort required to keep cooking surfaces clean. For busy barbecue enthusiasts, it's a simple but highly effective innovation that makes outdoor cooking far more enjoyable. Number 3. Rechargeable Barbecue Grill Light System. Great barbecue sessions don't always end when the sun goes down. In fact, some of the best outdoor gatherings continue well into the evening. Unfortunately, poor lighting can make nighttime grilling difficult and even unsafe. That's why a rechargeable barbecue grill light system has become one of the most practical outdoor cooking gadgets available today. These specialized lighting systems are designed to illuminate the entire cooking surface without interfering with the grilling process. Modern models use high-output LED technology that produces bright, clear light while consuming very little power. Many feature adjustable mounting arms, magnetic bases, flexible gooseneck designs, and weather-resistant construction for outdoor use. Rechargeable batteries eliminate the need for disposable cells and often provide several hours of continuous operation on a single charge. Some premium systems include multiple brightness levels and focused beam patterns that reduce glare while maximizing visibility. Proper lighting helps grillers monitor food color, identify flare-ups, check doneness, and handle tools safely. It also improves overall cooking precision, particularly when preparing delicate foods such as seafood, vegetables, or thinner cuts of meat. Outdoor campers and tailgaters especially appreciate the portability of these lighting systems since they can be attached to various cooking setups. In addition to functionality, many units are compact enough to store easily in a grill accessory bag. Whether you're hosting an evening barbecue party or cooking dinner at a remote campsite, a rechargeable grill light ensures you can maintain full control over your cooking regardless of the time of day. It's a small gadget that provides a surprisingly significant upgrade to the outdoor grilling experience. Number 2. Cordless Electric BBQ Fan. Starting and maintaining the perfect fire is one of the most important aspects of successful outdoor grilling. Traditional methods often involve excessive fanning, blowing, or waiting for charcoal to reach the proper temperature. A cordless electric barbecue fan eliminates much of that frustration by delivering controlled airflow exactly where it's needed. This compact gadget helps ignite charcoal faster, increase combustion efficiency, and maintain steady cooking temperatures throughout the grilling session. Modern barbecue fans use rechargeable lithium batteries and lightweight designs that make them easy to carry on camping trips, picnics, and outdoor adventures. With adjustable airflow settings, users can fine-tune oxygen delivery to match their cooking needs. Increased airflow encourages charcoal and wood to burn hotter and more consistently, reducing startup times significantly. Many users report cutting fire preparation times by more than half compared to traditional methods. During cooking, The fan can also help revive fading coals and maintain stable temperatures without requiring additional fuel. This is particularly useful for low and slow barbecue techniques, where temperature consistency is essential. Some advanced models even include digital controls and integrated lighting features for nighttime use. The gadget's simplicity is one of its greatest strengths. Instead of struggling to build and sustain a fire, grillers can focus on cooking and entertaining guests. Whether you're using a charcoal kettle grill, portable smoker, fire pit, or traditional barbecue setup, a cordless electric barbecue fan improves efficiency while making fire management easier and more predictable. For outdoor cooking enthusiasts who value convenience and performance, this gadget is a surprisingly powerful addition to any barbecue toolkit. Number 1. Smart AI-powered barbecue control system. Taking the top spot on our list is the Smart AI-powered barbecue control system, one of the most advanced outdoor grilling gadgets available in 2026. This revolutionary technology combines wireless sensors, artificial intelligence, temperature monitoring, and automated airflow control to create an almost fully autonomous barbecue experience. The system continuously collects data from multiple sensors placed inside the grill and food. Using sophisticated algorithms, it analyzes cooking conditions in real time and automatically adjusts airflow, fuel consumption, and temperature settings to maintain ideal cooking environments. Through a smartphone app, users can monitor every aspect of the cook from virtually anywhere. The system provides live temperature readings, estimated completion times, cooking recommendations, and alerts when adjustments are needed. Some premium models can even identify specific cuts of meat and recommend optimal cooking profiles based on weight and thickness. This dramatically reduces the learning curve associated with advanced barbecue techniques, such as smoking brisket, pork shoulder, ribs, and whole poultry. One of the most impressive features is predictive cooking technology, which learns from previous sessions and continually improves performance over time. For outdoor cooks who value consistency, this level of automation delivers professional quality results with remarkable reliability. Whether you're hosting a backyard feast, competing in a barbecue competition, or preparing meals at a campsite, the Smart AI-powered barbecue control system represents the future of outdoor cooking. By combining precision, convenience, and intelligent automation, it transforms grilling from a challenging skill into an effortless and highly rewarding experience, making it the ultimate barbecue gadget of 2026.